Time for some quick laughs with 5 funny animal facts in 60 seconds. Did you know chickens dream? They experience REM sleep, just like humans. Pigs roll in mud to protect themselves from the sun. It's their natural sunscreen. Hippos have jaws so strong they can crush a whole watermelon like it's a grape. Parrots can learn over 100 words, mimicking human speech like pros. Some armadillos roll into a ball when scared, turning into little armored soccer balls. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more quick animal facts.